Hello everyone. It's been a while that I've gone for any cycle ride, and so I've decided to go for a short ride in my nearby area only. So let's see. And my cycle is in quite a bad condition. You can see this here. Rock Rider ST 50. Gonna need my dust over here. Yeah, this is the only problem when you're not riding your cycle every day. You see the condition of my cycle. I'm hating it. Yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the another vlog. Today we are roaming in my area, which is in Dombivli. It's been a long that I have not taken any rides, so let's go explore this area, which is Dombivli. The timing is 5 o'clock and we are at my complex gate. We are going to explore the Khuni Palava, Lodha Khuni Palava, which is like 3 kilometers from here, and it is one of the oldest township of Lodha. So let's go. Dombivli has become the concrete jungle, as most of the places, the villages had sold their land to the builders, and the big part of the land is owned by Lodha builder, a very well known builder in Mumbai and Maharashtra. So you can see that everywhere there is a construction work is happening. Yeah, there you can see. We are on a main road now and heading towards the Lodha Khuni Palava, and we have stopped here for a juice. You can see the kind of a traffic that I'm facing now. It's huge. I don't know why people are like spending too much money on the bikes and cars. We have reached here. This is the main entrance of Khuni Palava and we are entering it. So this is a complete concrete jungle. Local people have just sold their lands to this big builder, and he has created a beautiful concrete jungle over here. I would not blame that builder, because people are selling their priceless land for the high value and making a worse mistake of their life. But chalo, we'll take the right complex. On the right hand side you can see that there is a Lodha World School. Here there is a Sri Ram school as well. Here you can see that. Apologies for the low light, as it's almost 5:30 now, but I'm still trying to capture the view as much as possible. This complex, this township is around in 1,000 acre area. 1,000 acre, yeah, 900 to 1,000 acre area. You can see every single thing over here. Clubhouse, then schools, medical. I have no idea about the medical facility over here, but yeah, definitely they have done some medical facilities also. And category wise buildings: 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and then they have their budgeting sector as well, known as a crown. This is their clubhouse. You can see. Wow. Then they have a big garden over here. I'm not riding too fast as I'm handling my cycle. Also recording this thing. It's pretty black over here now. this big township was built 10 years back. So compared to now, there are many townships over here, but this one is still the benchmark, you know. They have maintained it really well. As you can see, the roads are quite smooth, and then they are maintained in a way that they can show it to their new customers how they are protecting their old properties. These kids are you see there is a pond and place to stay, and here they have a big building over here. Lodha has really maintained this property. Exploring on cycle is a bit difficult as I do not have a GoPro or a chest mount, but yeah, definitely there are few people who are like riding the cycles. Here you can see mostly the retired people, those who want a peaceful life. They have bought their house over here. Oh, now it's time to sunset. You can see over here, and here kids are riding the cycle as well. It's me roaming this place. Wow, it's not that bad, yeah. It's not that bad. Now I'm moving towards that big garden once I visited. Wow, what a beautiful view over here. You see? Wow, this is beautiful. This is life. And this is the reason why people are buying a house over here. This place is far from your Mumbai and your city, but still people are buying house over here, and hence this township is one of the successful property or successful place for the Lodha. Here you can see there's a bungalow also. You won't believe the price of the bungalows over here. And then they have some artificial pond and lake over here. Enjoying this place, yeah. The only problem is that I'm not very comfortable with riding my bicycle with one hand, as I'm holding my mobile on the other hand, so not going too far, too speed. But I'm telling you, I'm loving this place and I'm loving this ride now. Now we are heading towards that garden. I'm just hoping that I'm in the correct way. Everyone, I was talking about this garden. You can see this is one of the biggest garden and place here in downtown. I would love to explore this one. I don't know whether cycle is allowed here or not, but let's see. If they ask me to leave, there's one more cycle over here, so I am just hoping they are not going to stop me. Chalo, I'll just take the ride over here and I will show you this place.
वो अलग है, वो अलग कंपनी है। मतलब ये इनसे आया है, अभी शिफ्ट हो गया वो इधर। बढ़िया है।
So guys, this is it. We are ending this small vlog. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog and let me know if you want me to record anything else. Till then, bye bye.